Let's take a look at the ingredients. So I have half a cup of milk. I have 1 cup of oil. Use the same size of cup to measure both. So yeah, if you have half a cup of milk, you will need 1 cup of oil. Yes, you need 1 cup. That's why they say that mayonnaise is unhealthy. Yeah. So you have, say, half spoon of sugar, 1/4 spoon of salt, and I have some vinegar here. If you can see, 1/4 spoon of vinegar. So let's begin to make our homemade mayonnaise. I'm taking a mixer here. I'm going to add in the milk. I'm adding sugar, salt, and vinegar. Yes, vinegar, say sometimes milk gets spoiled as well, but in this dish it's essential. That's why we're going to use this. So I'm adding the vinegar in this. I'm going to slightly mix it with my hand itself. Now I'm going to add half the portion of oil we have. Yes, do not add complete oil at once, because that will end up spoiling the recipe and you don't want that to happen, of course. So we are going to add in gradually. So I am adding half oil to it now, and we're going to mix this in the blender. I'm using a mixer here. You can also go ahead and use a hand blender if you have. You get a much thicker mayonnaise in that. So I'm going to use in this. Here you can see how this has become. Now I'm going to add, I blended this for about, say, 10 to 15 seconds. And I'm going to add in the rest oil now, all of it, the rest half. Also guys, sometimes what may happen when you add oil at first and blend this, then your milk may get spoiled. Like you will see milk and water separated in this. So don't worry, you can easily fix this. Just add about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of milk and blend it once again. I think it should be perfect. Now let's blend this again for, say, 10 to 15 seconds more. And this is ready, guys. You can just see how smooth and nice this is, and the thickness as well. So this is ready. Like I said, if you use hand blender, you will even get a thicker version of mayonnaise. Let's take this out in a bowl. So there you go. Your dip is ready. You can adjust the salt and sugar as per your taste. When you're blending it, you can check it. If you need more sugar or more salt, whatever, you can add it in this. Also, you can store this for about 3 days. So it's a quick thing to make and have. You can use it in salads, you can use it in your sandwiches or as a dip. It's your preference. But of course, we all know how much oil we use. So this is not really healthy, but sometimes it's fine. So here guys, the mayonnaise is ready for you. Hope you like the recipe and you'll try it. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel and ring bell icon for more such yummy recipes.